This is the SH-CIC3200 online combustion ion chromatography system. The system consists of 4 modules: auto sampler, combustion unit, absorption unit, an ion chromatography system. Auto sampler, 23 vial disc auto sampler, mortise and tenon structure, plug and play. 3.5 milliliters cup-shaped large capacity sampling bowl, which can meet the requirement of low detection limit analysis. Combustion unit, 5 temperature zones design, progressive heating, controllable heating program, ensuring full combustion of the sample. Oxygen reverse sweeping design, for more complete sample combustion. Cooling unit, get rid of the phenomenon of delayed heat dissipation in traditional air cooling. The Parcel refrigeration module can be as low as 5 degrees centigrade, effectively improving the recovery rate. Absorption unit, support multiple functions such as enrichment, substrate elimination, automatic configuration of absorption solution, and automatic sample retention. Ion chromatography, professional ion chromatography system, which can achieve qualitative and quantitative detection of samples accurately. SH-CIC3200 online combustion ion chromatography system is widely used in various fields such as mining, solid waste, semiconductors, universities, research institutes, etc. It is a dependable choice for customers.